Hello, it's Jean-Andre Kleinans, your thermal and night vision specialist. Today we'll be looking at a little concern that people have that I've saw in some group chats on Hit Micro, and this is on the Alpex 4K. Then the question that people are asking is on the battery itself and the logo. How it works is, the Alpex has an internal and external battery. Your internal battery will be your primary and your external will be your secondary. What we've realized is if your Alpex shows it's red and 0 on your internal battery, it's not just going to shut down. We've had cases where we've seen the battery lasting about 1 to 2 hours, even if it shows it's empty. From there on, your scope will not just shut down, it will automatically switch over to the external. But it will only switch over to the external as soon as your internal is 100% dead with no power whatsoever on the internal battery. So if your Alpex doesn't switch over to the external battery itself, don't think your scope is broken. There's unfortunately also no button to switch between internal and external battery. Just keep on going, enjoy your scope, and remember to keep it charged, both your internal and external, to have about 8 to 11 hours of battery life. If you have a question, drop it in the comments and we'll be happy to help.